Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another Pioneer Prep. I'm Grimm from the Bug Out Boys, and the prep that we're going to be making today is going to be this, a storage straw. Now let me show you everything you're going to need to make this prep a reality. Here's everything you're going to need to make your storage straws. First, of course, you're going to need your straw. And they could be a big straw, long straw, a plastic straw from your local fast food chain. These that I found happen to be biodegradable. They're made of corn, plant material, and it's pretty cool because they look and feel like plastic, and also they're clear, which is a bonus because then you can see what you stored inside. Of course, you could get a bunch of different colored straws and know that if you see a black straw, you know there's pepper inside. And if you see a white straw, you know it's salt. So there's a lot of flexibility with this prep. But I'm going with the clear biodegradable straw. Then you're going to need something to cut straws with. Could be a knife, scissors. That's even if you want to cut them, but if you feel like you want to cut them down the sides, make them like really tiny, you are able to do that. A lighter or match, doesn't matter, just some way of melting the ends. A pair of pliers, needle nose or a multi-tool, something to hold on to the straw as you're melting it to keep your fingers away from the flame. I have here a little pipe cleaner. You could also use a little dowel. It's just something to kind of help push your material down into the straw as you're packing it. And then last but not least is whatever you decide to put into your storage straws. It could be dryer lint, it could be a match, it could be some salt, it could be some powdered medicine, whether powder or it could be liquid medicine as well. A lot of things you can stick in here, and again, a lot of versatility. So let's make one. So let's take this guy, since I already have him prepped for us. And you know what? I think I am going to take a match. I want a match. And this is a cheap paper match, but you could get a nice wooden one. And I'm going to put some dryer lint. So we're going to put that right there. And then, but I'm going to figure out, I'm going to want my straw to be about yay big. So let's cut the straw right about there. Actually, try to hold both sides of your straw because I found out from experience they like to fly. There we go. Success! All right. Let's put that guy there. Now first, you want to seal up one end. So let's take your pliers. And I'm going to pinch it right about here. So as you can see right there, about a eighth, 16th of an inch, and the plastic is flat against each other. And just melt that just a little bit, and it is now, yeah, it's sealed. Another technique, though this needs caution, is that you can still use your pliers, or you can hand hold it, and you just kind of get a little melty, and then you can pinch it with your finger, and as you can see, it kind of splayed out like that a little bit. Now, again, caution. My fingers are calloused from playing many, many years of violin as well as being out in the bush, and this is also the corn material, and plastic is going to stay hotter longer and can stick to your skin. So again, you can do that, but using the pliers is definitely a safer technique. Anyhow, this is sealed. It is nice and sealed, no water is getting there, no moisture. So take your material, we'll just take some of this dryer lint, and we'll push it in there. And you could pack this thing full of dryer lint if you like. or your preferred tinder. Well, actually even use the match, or you could use your pipe cleaner. Push it all down there, and I'll do just a little bit more just for repeat's sake. Get that in there. We'll use the match, and then we'll use pipe cleaner to make sure that we get the little match. Actually, I'm going to put the match head down in there. There we go. Get on in there. There we go. As I did before, I'm going to use the pliers. A little bit of flame, just heat it a little. You don't want it to catch on fire, you just want to see it melted a little bit. And voila, you have yourself a storage straw. And now in this case, I have a waterproof sealed match with dry tinder. In my case, dryer lint. And this is just a small one. And if you look at it, I mean, that's pretty small. Could have filled that up probably a bit more. Maybe wrapped the tinder around the straw. I mean, around the match, if you will. But anyhow, this could easy fit. I'll even do it right now in my wallet. Maybe stick it right here in the center right here. Close it up. Yep, see? And now, boom, in my wallet. My sweat can't get to it, and I have instant fire wherever I may go. And that's how you make your very own storage straw. And as you saw, it's a very easy prep to do. You can do it in your kitchen. I did mine in my living room. But you can also do them out in the field. Let's say you've already bugged out. You're going to find straws. They're trash. They're everywhere. It's unfortunate, but it's truth. But let's say you find something that you want to keep dry. Salt. You find a salt shaker. Well, it's not going to stay dry in that salt shaker. So transfer that salt to your storage straw. And you don't even need a match or a lighter, because most likely you're going to have some way of making fire and have fire. So take a little hot stick and seal it up. It's raring to go, and you can cache it away somewhere, or you can take it with you, and now you know that whatever you store in there, salt in this example, will stay dry. It's also very versatile. I did a match and some dryer lint in this one. You could put medicine, a spice of your choice. You can have them clear so you can see what's inside, color-coded if you want. You can have them tiny so they fit in your wallet like this one, or longer, however long the straw is. And then also, just because you crack it open or cut it open and let's say you pour out some of that medicine or spice, but there's still some in there, well, you can seal it up again. So it's a resealable storage device, not a one-time thing. And then also, it's very inexpensive. Go to any fast food chain. They're giving straws away for free. Or go on Amazon, find some colored ones, maybe larger ones, like a big Slurpee straw, I don't know. Or some eco-friendly ones like I did. So I know that when I do discard this, I use it, it's not impacting the environment that much. Not a bad prep. So if you did enjoy this prep, please do subscribe, because there's going to be more Pioneer preps, bots, reviews, Talk in the Woods, and Bug Out Boy episodes along the way. And if you have any questions or comments of how I made this or how you've made them better, leave those down below in the comment section, because I love to read them and you know I'll get back to you. So till then, take care.